our energy. So
we're too tired.
Too tired. And then we went to after the barbecue, we went to the night market. So walk around.
Oh, Elon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to the night market. It's okay. Yeah. Oh, that sounds like a great trip. Yeah. Was it like Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice. And you could split the cost of the house between all the friends, right? So how much did it cost for each person? About?
I don't know.
Few hundred?
We spent 12,000 for the house.
Oh, for the whole house.
For the whole house.
Okay, that's not bad. Yeah. For 12 people.
Yes. And then also have karaoke.
Oh, in the house.
In the house.
Wow, that's great. Okay. Tim, anything new?
I just take a shower
You what? Took a shower and what?
on the road.
Oh, from the rain?
Yes. After school, I was waiting for the bus, and the rain is suddenly come, and there's nothing to cover.
No place to hide.
Yeah. And later I get on the bus and to near my home, and I just walk go to my home. And when I got home, I was all wet.
Totally wet, huh?
Yeah.
We have a word for that. Say, I was drenched. Okay. Drenched. So totally wet.
And I feel really tired because the rain.
The rain made you tired?
Yes, so I take a nap until 20 minutes or so.
Oh. Okay. All right. Anything else? I don't know. Okay, let's talk about some of these words. All right. Scientists discovered depression molecule. What is depression? What is that? Who knows what depression is? What's the easy way to say it? What does it mean if you're depressed?
Upset, but it's a disease.
Some people call depression like a disease, yeah. Let's see, Elaine, do you have another word? Or not Elaine, Elaine, here you go. Yeah, sad, that's what I would say. Okay, which is more, depression or sad? Depression is more serious, right? So I can say much sadness. Okay, that's what I would call depression. If you are sad, maybe it is for a short time because of one reason. If you are depressed, it usually means for a longer time. And you feel this way all day long. So if you're sad, it's maybe for a short time, for one reason. And depressed or depression is a longer time sometimes for no reason. If you have no reason to feel depressed, and you're always depressed for many, many days or many weeks, then maybe we can say it's some kind of health condition or disease, something like that. Okay. And now we have molecule. What's a molecule? Ariel, you should know this one. You're in the scientific field.
Combined by elements.
Yes, a molecule is the smallest part of something made from elements. Okay, like a molecule of H2O. Okay. So we have the element hydrogen and the element oxygen, two of these and one of these, and this is a molecule of hydrogen. Maybe you have two hydrogens and one oxygen, and they're connected. Okay, so that is an element, or a molecule. So, two elements hydrogen plus one element oxygen is one molecule of water. And this is the smallest piece of water, is one molecule of water. Usually a molecule is made of different elements. Miserable. Speaking of depression and sadness, what about miserable? That would be an adjective. And let's see, miserable, sad feeling? Or feeling sad? Maybe feeling terrible? Or a terrible situation? Let's see. When Tim got wet, he wasn't feeling good. He's like, oh, I don't like to be wet. And I feel bad, I feel terrible. So he can say, ugh, I feel miserable. I can't wait to go home and take off the wet clothes, put on the dry clothes. I will feel better. Right? So, if you are depressed or sad, or you have a terrible situation, you can feel miserable. Also, you can describe something that is miserable. Maybe you see an ugly house, and someone says, do you like that house? You say, no, it's miserable. Or you go to a restaurant, and the people working there were not good to you. So you say, oh, the service was miserable. So it means terrible or bad or not good. Stressed. Okay, this is when you feel overworked. Or maybe you are nervous. Or you have a lot of things you're thinking about. You're nervous or you're worried. Okay. So you're stressed. And sometimes we say, I feel stressed out from anything. Could be the earthquake. Or could be working 2 jobs at one time. So you work too much. Okay? Something like that. Anything can make you feel uncomfortable, nervous, worried, overworked. So you feel like maybe there's a lot of pressure on you. Something like that. Maybe you're getting ready to get married. You have to plan so much for the wedding, and you worried maybe you won't have enough time, so you feel stressed.